Good morning guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a battery of a Mini Cooper Countryman from 2015 I suppose. It's this key, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. I had some problems with it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it without damaging the key. Let's zoom out a bit. Okay. Start with this one. It's a 3-button key, open, close, and the trunk. And then you have a mechanical key, stick. We take out the stick by pressing this button over here. Press this button, take out the stick, and we're going to use the stick and no other tool to replace the battery and to open the key. We're going to use the stick to open this area. We're going to put this over here. Use a bit force. Like this. Then it pops open. Try to do it without damaging it, of course. Once you open this, then you can slide this out like this if you want. Then you can stick the key over here to pop this area open where the battery is hidden, and the battery is CR2032 battery. I changed it, so I don't want to change it again, of course. Put everything back like it's supposed to be. This one first, then this one. It can only fit in one way. This way it won't fit, as you can see. Once you've done that, this keeps the outside area in place. Once you've done that, put this back on. That side first, and then you have to hear it click. Now you cannot open this area, so this area keeps the outside area in place. Once you've done that, put back your key like this, and when you hear a click, you have a new battery in your mini key. I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and help us more to develop more videos. Hope to see you next time. Till then, keep it safe. Thank you. Bye bye.